Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TIAA Bank debit card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new TIAA Bank debit card and make sure the sticker on the front is still attached. Turn the card over and locate the customer service phone number printed on the back. Find a quiet place and keep a pen and paper nearby in case you need to note anything. Have your social security number and your TIAA bank account information ready if requested. Make sure your phone has signal and enough battery, or use a landline for a stable call. Call the activation phone number shown on the back of your debit card. When the automated system answers, choose the option for debit card activation. Enter your full debit card number when the system asks for it. Confirm your identity by entering the requested digits of your SSN or your zip code. If the system asks for your date of birth, enter it exactly as registered on your account. Create or confirm your debit card PIN if you are prompted to set one. Choose a PIN you can remember, but that others cannot easily guess. Never share your PIN with anyone and do not write it on the card. Wait for the system to confirm that your card has been successfully activated. Hang up only after you hear the activation confirmation message. Remove the sticker from the front of the card after activation is complete. Sign your name on the signature panel on the back of the card with a permanent pen. If you prefer activating online, open a browser and go to the official TIAA Bank website. Log into your online banking using your username and password. Navigate to the Cards or Card Services section in your account dashboard. Select your new debit card and look for an option labeled Activate Card. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and confirm activation. If you use the TIAA Bank mobile app, install it from the official app store and sign in. Open the app menu and find Card Management or Card Controls. Tap Activate and confirm the requested details to finish the process. After activation, make a small purchase or ATM balance inquiry to ensure the card works. Enable transaction alerts in your online banking or app to monitor card activity. If activation fails or your card is declined, call the number on the back and ask for a representative. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.